Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is another yarn of the week. Way! I would do my hair, you know, a little cheer, but I've just hidden my little machine that does that with yarn. So it's all here. So my yarn of the week this time around has been in my shop for a little while. It's hobbyrocks.co.uk. It's a really good value yarn. It's a very, very versatile yarn, and it is an acrylic. And it's so, so beautiful in every single colour. It's a variegated and just so, so nice. So let me show you it. I also did swatch it up. So at the end of this video, I will link that video so you can see how these all work up. Now, I believe I did swatch them all, but I might have got some new colours after I did that. I don't know, I can't remember. But the swatch video will be at the end of this video. You know when the 4 come in that are my choice, not the ones that they do on YouTube. They just stick some there willy-nilly. But the 4 that come in that I choose, one of them will be it. And if I can remember, when I point up like that at the end of the video, I'll stick it there as well. So this is King Cole's Jitterbug, and it is absolutely beautiful in every single colour that they do. There is a swatch there, and I don't know if that is, I think these kind of swatches are very subjective. That's obviously a knitted one. This is called Freedom, this one. Now they're all kind of 1980s themed names, and in fact most of them are to do with Wham. You know, the pop group Wham. Loved Wham. Absolutely loved Wham. So, Freedom, it's 100% premium acrylic and is very dark writing on a dark background. So, oh hang on, there's my phone. That'll do. Have a little spotlight. 306 yards, 280 meters. You can wash this to 30 degrees and you can do a cool tumble dry. It doesn't say you can iron it though. It says you can't iron. I'll show you the symbols. I'm rubbish at symbols, but there you are. There they are. And you can see what needles and hook sizes it also recommends, because I didn't tell you that, did I? But I'd say a 4 would be great crochet hook wise. But look at those colours, that's beautiful. And this one's called Freedom, and they are lovely autumnal kind of rainbow of colours. So this one is called Go Go, as in wake me up before you, or as dances, as you know some people do. Remember the go-go dancers? So this is Go Go. And it's all the red, white and blues really, and turquoise thrown in, and pink. It's very nice when it works up. It's got a little swatchy on the side there. I like that one. I know it doesn't look great on the ball, does it? But these have a very quick colour change. So you can see that strand there, how it starts blue, red, and then goes into the pinky kind of, then into turquoise. They're very quick colour changes, which is why you get this kind of jazzy, psychedelic kind of vibe. It's beautiful, and it's great for edging your projects. If you had a project that was kind of these colours and you edge with it, and you do maybe like a half treble, which half double in the US, all the way around the outside, or even a single crochet or a, you know, nice little edging. It looks so good when you edge with this. I've done that before. I'm going to put it in its little baggie. This one is Whisper, and it reminded me a little bit of Freedom, I have to say, but I suppose where that one's more autumnal, this one is a bit on the brighter side. And it's Whisper has a little kind of a, these are knitted obviously, these swatches, but as I say, I did do crochet swatches, and I can show you that at the end of this video. So this one is very, very nice. When I held it close to the It looks like it's got greys, but they are in fact kind of more browny. It's I like that one as well. Great for this time of year. This one is one of my favourites. This is called Sunshine, and I had to stick this together because the yarn band popped open, so very annoying. But I think it's Sunshine, that's what it's called. I've put the sticker over the name, but I'm sure it is. And it's got this beautiful coloured psychedelic kind of vibe going on. But I love the white and all those colours. They really do pop, don't they? If I know some people don't like that terminology, but yeah, that's gorgeous. I like that one. And I think that might be the only one with limited stock. Not sure. Then there are two with greens in, like kind of beautiful parrot colours, as I call them. This one is called Wham. They've just gone for it and called it Wham. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at those oranges as well, and look at the way those colours there. It's just beautiful. I love the blues anyway, and those greens and the orange together. Where's my little swatchy on here? Of course, this is a knitted swatch, and you can't really get the beauty, but that one, what did I say it was called? Wham. Can't forget that, surely. But it's got some absolutely beautiful colours in it. Really vibrant and lovely. So that's Wham. Okay. This one is called Boogie, and it's got a bit of a leaker going on. Let me just tuck it in. Tuck it, like dress it. It's getting undressed. We tuck its end in. I'd rather tuck it in rather than snip it off or anything, because then there we go, all dressed. This is Boogie, and look at those mauves and purples in there, and the pinks. Isn't it beautiful? That's gorgeous. It's gorgeous on the ball. And there's its little knitty swatch. It's kind of do you remember in the old days when your TV used to go up the pictures and it always used to say, do not adjust your set? And that's kind of what that's going on there, isn't it? Do not adjust your eyeballs. They are telling you the truth. But that one is gorgeous, and that's Boogie. Now, very mega popular one, this. Goes out of stock quite a lot. Again, needs to be redressed. This one's called Dancing. Dancing without a G, just dancing. Go on in. You can see all of the different colours and how far you get of them. And now we'll tuck it in. This is called Dancing, and it's often out of stock, so I don't really know how much I've got of this one. But it's beautiful though. It's so many beautiful colours. It's like all of the colours in all of the others. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? Dancing is very popular, and you can see why. Okay, so that brings me to my absolute favourite. And it just, I don't know, it's gorgeous. And I've got a whole bag of it here that's mine. Okay. So I want to do something with it. It's called Tropicana, like the club. And it's just gorgeous. It really is. Tropicana is my favourite, although they're all very lovely. All of them are nice. This Sunshine's lovely. And those ones with the greens, oh, just beautiful. But this is Tropicana. Drinks are free. It's gorgeous. Just so, so nice. So, that's all the info. It's squishy soft. It really is lovely. I've got a feeling that when you wash it, it will be even softer. But it's soft enough to wear against your skin. Absolutely lovely. I'm going to point upwards now. Hopefully my swatch video will be there. Sometimes I've said that in the past and I've not been able to find the bit. But I'm going to do my best because it's kind of at the endish of the video anyway. But this is so good. I love it. And I did buy lots of it because it was mega, mega popular. I did buy lots and lots of it. And I had it in a gigantic big box, but I've just sorted it all out and put it in its proper boxes. and I thought it's so good. I haven't shown it for a while. Look at the colours in this Tropicana. Yeah, so good, so good. Well, that is my yarn of the week, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put that one there in my bag because it's Tropicana, and all of that one is mine. Thank you for watching. Sorry, I've had a bit of a cold and a cough, but it's on its way out. Getting better, so. But thanks for watching. Take care, everyone. And I'm not sure of the stock levels, but if you have a look at hobbyrocks.co.uk, it's actually quite, I think it's in the sale at the moment. Not sure how much it is, but it's beautiful. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.